Echo questions. Mastering the art of intonation. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we will be diving into the fascinating world of intonation, focusing specifically on a topic called echo questions. Understanding and using intonation correctly is crucial for effective communication in English. So, let's get started and explore the power of echo questions. Echo questions are a unique type of question that involve echoing or repeating part of a statement made by someone else. These questions are used to seek confirmation, clarification, or to show surprise or disbelief. They are a great way to engage in conversations and express interest or seek further information. For example, if someone says, "You're going to the party tonight," an echo question in response could be, "I'm going to the party tonight?" Notice how the voice rises at the end, indicating it is a question. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of pitch in speech, which helps convey meaning and emotion. In echo questions, the intonation pattern is crucial to accurately convey the intended message. In most echo questions, the pitch rises towards the end of the question. This rising intonation signals that the speaker is seeking confirmation or asking for further information. It creates a sense of openness and invites the listener to respond. Remember to pay attention to the speaker's intonation when listening to native English speakers. This will help you grasp the patterns and nuances of echo questions and improve your own pronunciation and intonation skills. Let's now practice some echo questions together. I'll provide a statement, and you'll have a chance to create an echo question based on it. Remember to pay attention to the intonation pattern and make your voice rise at the end to indicate a question. 1. Statement: I went to the beach yesterday. 2. Echo question: You went to the beach yesterday? 3. Statement: She's studying for her exams. 4. Echo question: She's studying for her exams? 5. Statement: They're getting married next month. 6. Echo question: They're getting married next month? By practicing these examples, you'll become more comfortable using echo questions and develop a better understanding of their intonation patterns. When using echo questions, it's important to keep a few things in mind to avoid common mistakes. First, remember to maintain the rising intonation pattern. It's easy to accidentally turn an echo question into a statement if your voice doesn't rise at the end. Second, be careful with your pronunciation and stress. Make sure to emphasize the key words in the echo question to ensure clarity and convey your intended meaning effectively. Lastly, be aware of the context and tone of the conversation. Echo questions can vary in meaning depending on how they are spoken. A sincere echo question may differ from a sarcastic or rhetorical one, so be mindful of the overall context. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this lesson on echo questions and intonation patterns. By mastering the art of echo questions, you have taken another step towards improving your English language skills. Remember to practice using echo questions in your everyday conversations to enhance your fluency and engage with others effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English language learning. See you next time.